Diabetes is a disease which affects millions of people worldwide. It can cause blindness and ultimately death. Until the 1920s, the only treatment available was a strict control of diet. In 1922, however, Canadian researchers discovered that diabetes resulted from the body not producing enough of a chemical called insulin. Insulin could be produced from the pancreatic gland of cattle. This was a difficult task. Enormous effort had to go into laboratory research and testing before the widespread use of the new discovery was possible. Gradually, a process was developed to produce insulin, and samples were made which passed all the necessary tests. Attempts to manufacture insulin on an industrial scale began in late 1922. Translating the process from the laboratory to large-scale manufacture proved difficult. Insulin is very sensitive to heat, and the temperature at some points in the manufacturing process had to be carefully controlled. There were also significant engineering problems to overcome in scaling up the process from laboratory level. The problems were eventually solved, and insulin became available to many diabetic patients. From the end of the Second World War, insulin became more widely available. Laboratory research continued and enabled purer insulin, which had fewer side effects, to be produced. By the 1970s, the manufacturing method began with the production of an extract from the pancreas of cattle. This contained blood, fat, and a number of other impurities. These had to be removed by a series of complicated steps. The fat even had to be removed from the crude product by hand. From an original 1,000 gallons of extract, only 100 gallons remained. A series of complicated purification stages were then necessary, which included repeated crystallization in the laboratory. Eventually, after some 14 different processes, the white insulin crystals were ready for analysis prior to being used to produce individual doses for use by patients throughout the world. In the 1980s, insulin produced through genetic engineering became available. A new chapter in the production of medicines had begun.